So Paul, if you're going to drill a hole and you really want it to be clean walled, flat bottomed, precise, bit of choice.
That's a common application, and I'd take a Forstner bit every single time.
Me too, and Bora has really done a great job with this set. We both agree Forstner bits are the way to go if you want to drill a precise, accurate, very clean hole in your material. And Bora's got a bunch of cool stuff going on with this Forstner bit set.
Yeah, absolutely. The fact that it's made of forged steel makes it more durable, it keeps it sharp longer. Given that it's sharp, it's gonna produce less heat. Less heat means it's going to stay sharp longer.
So it's a little snake eating its tail there. That's right. Is the longer it lasts, the longer it lasts. And if you've seen smoke coming off of drill bits, you're using them too long. So one of the things I want to take a second here and let's run the lathe, because the curls that come off of this are so impressive. And what we're doing here is we're punching a hole into end grain on cherry, and I think in the world of demanding tasks, it's a little hard to beat asking a lot of a Forstner bit. We're getting shavings, not dust, and very effortlessly as well.
And no smoke.
So we have made a video about this product. Let's have a look at that video, and then we'll come back and talk some more. When it comes time to put holes in your woodworking projects and you want clean holes that are an accurate size, without question, Forstner bits are the way to do that. These Bora Forstner bits are crazy cool. We've got a bunch of stuff going on here. There's a small and very distinct center point, and that's a big deal with hitting your layout spot when you're ready to drill a hole. The other thing that's great about these is they're forged, and that makes them much stronger than a lot of the carbon steel bits out there. That means that they're going to last a lot longer, they're going to hold their edge longer, which when you're going up against hardwoods in your projects, it's really, really, really going to pay off. What we want to do next is use these to drill a couple holes so you can really see how they work. Let's chuck this 1 3/8 bit into a cordless drill. I've got my layout marked. Take advantage of that center point. Punching right into that hard maple. Center location marked. Find where we need to be. That nice center point. Now in a drill press, 1 1/2 cutter. Like Bora. Here's a good Forstner bit test. Cherry on the lathe. Gonna punch a hole in that end grain. Beautiful curls. And smooth. Handheld drill press, even that end grain job on the lathe, these bits do an impressive job. It's a 10. I'm having a quick look here to see if we have any questions on the Bora Forstner bits. Nothing yet. What a great performance, great set of Forstner bits. Really did a great job doing a boring operation.